Hey guys, it's Crys'Dawna. I don't know if you noticed, but I didn't do a script in the beginning. I just worked out, so my face is a little red. I have a special guest here today, and I've tried to have her on like tons of times, but she wouldn't come on. So first, we're going to do a 10-minute, we're doing our 10-minute Tuesday, but I wanted to do it a little bit different. I thought, why not get to know me from my friend's perspective?
Yeah.
We've been friends for how long have we been friends for?
A long time. I don't even know how long.
Yeah, too long.
Too long.
Okay, so I'm gonna set the timer. And what I did is I had her ask some questions. So she has, how many furniture questions?
I have like, I don't know, half furniture, half get to know you.
Yeah. So I have done furniture for her, but there's been a few times where I threw paint at her and told her to do it herself, so.
Yeah, like legit was like, I'm not painting that, here you go.
Yeah.
But she has, y'all, she has painted white furniture for me.
I flew all the way to Vegas to paint white furniture.
And I feel like it was really painful.
Yeah, it was.
But I think it turned out phenomenal, and I love it.
Yeah.
But I don't do color very well, so
I force her to do color.
The yin to my yang.
Yeah.
I'm more whites.
So
Rays.
Yeah. Boring.
I have a little teal in my house.
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah.
A little bit.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm gonna set the timer 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Oh, did I say it? This is Ashley.
Yeah.
Did we even say what your name was? I'm awful. I'm rude.
You're like my husband. I usually just introduce myself. I'm Ashley.
I'm the better friend.
Yeah, better friend. I would have introduced her first.
Yeah, I know.
Cool.
I'm rude.
That's cool.
All right. Well, okay, so she's got a little Amazon box here. She said, do you have something? I said, take this Amazon box. Okay, I also didn't have scissors for her, so I made her rip them up.
Yeah. Freaking okay. It's a you question.
Oh, man.
If you could only eat 3 foods for the rest of your life, what would they be?
Does this include liquids, too?
No, foods.
Oh man, coffee.
Coffee is not a food.
Oh, okay.
I don't like coffee, so.
Yeah, she doesn't like coffee. See, this is why we're complete. She doesn't like chocolate. I love chocolate, but she does love licorice. So.
Oh, and gummy bears. Yeah.
Okay.
3 foods.
Pizza.
Yeah. Pizza's good.
Can guacamole and chips be like together?
That's one.
Okay.
Guacamole and chips and salsa.
Cannon.
You say it as one, so it is one.
Okay, so guacamole and chips. Pizza. That's canon. He thinks something's happening right now. And then.
Why is this so hard for you?
I don't know. Because I don't like have I'm not a foodie.
She's not. I could name it in 3 seconds.
Carrot cake. I guess.
Wow. Y'all learned something new about this one.
I don't know. I'm not a foodie. Oh. I could like eat chicken and sweet potatoes every day.
Yeah, she's boring with her food. Okay?
Yeah, boring.
I agree with you on the chips and salsa.
I'm not picky. I'll eat anything. I don't care.
She really will. She's like a human garbage disposal.
Remember that time when we were in Monaco? And I ate
that was
the
nasty.
caviar or what? I don't remember.
Fish eggs. Okay, here's a painting question. Like I would have asked because I don't really know much about painting. How many coats of paint will I need on my furniture? Do I just do 1? Do I need 3? How many do I have to put on there?
Okay, but I have a question for you.
Okay.
What color are you painting it?
Well, I usually go white.
Okay.
But, if I was doing white.
Okay. If you were doing white.
A lighter color?
Yeah. If you were doing a lighter color, you'd probably need at least 2 if you were using Dixie Belle. If you're using something else, I guess it just depends on the paint that you're using.
What if I was using a bright one, like teal?
Sometimes just 1. It really depends on the paint. I'm sorry, that wasn't a good answer. It depends on the paint. What kind of paint are you using? Are you using Dixie Belle or are you using something else?
Okay. Of course I'm using Dixie Belle.
Of course, because she's coming to my house to steal it.
Yeah. Yeah, does it coat really well?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, how many coats did you need for that mirror?
I was really surprised. So I don't paint often, and when she threw the paint at me, was like, you do it yourself. I was like, okay, 1 coat did it.
Amethyst.
Super. I was really actually very surprised because I was planning on all frustrated.
Because you have used like different paints before.
I have, and I'm used to like doing like 5 freaking coats.
She's that one that spray paints. She's like, I spray painted this.
Yeah.
Oh man, Ashley.
Spray paint. Oh yeah. See, I don't know much. Okay. This is a personal question.
Oh jeez.
Do you ever talk to yourself? When? What do you say?
Didn't you just hear me earlier? I was downstairs singing to myself.
Yeah. So often is what she's saying.
Yeah, often. I sing a lot to myself. I sing to the situation that's going on. So I'll be like, Ashley, me and Ashley was sitting here doing an interview. Like that.
Can I tell y'all something? We run together, and I don't like to talk when I run. And Crys'Dawna is always singing so loud. I have to take my headphones out. I think she's talking to me, but legit, she's just singing Diana Ross.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure people are like, because I'm like into it. Like I'm running and I'm,
She's just as crazy out and about in public.
Yeah.
All right.
If you were ever wondering if like really in real life, if I was the way that I am on videos.
Yeah.
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 You know your life is like I had Chris on, my husband's like a man of few words. He's very stoic. So you weren't surprised by that video. But
no.
I had my husband on and he's like, I just live this life every day with you. I'm not like that excited because you're crazy every day. I'm not crazy. I'm just fun.
Yeah. Yeah. Life would be boring without you.
I know.
It would. Okay. If you could only give one piece of advice about painting furniture, what would it be? One thing to somebody.
Just do what you want to do. So like, don't try to be like anybody else. You can be inspired by other people, but people ask me all the time, where do you get your inspiration? I got my inspiration legit from like clothing ads. Really? I think I sent you that. Didn't I send it to you? Maybe I sent it to Brandy. It was like a skirt and a romper. And I'm like, this is my inspiration for my next piece. Or like color. Like I'll look up on Pinterest people's hairstyles or.
Do you know what I think it would be too is, I overthink everything.
Oh,
like
yeah.
I will stare at something and be like, oh, it's not perfect. Like I'm OCD is what I am.
Yeah, I think that's a good one. Let it go.
Yeah, her pieces end up being beautiful. I've seen like in the middle of a piece and I look at it like, what is she doing? And then, not that I don't think it will turn out great.
No, yeah.
But
like,
I
trust
overthink
the
everything. Yeah, like
trust the process.
you just let it flow. Like yeah.
That's how I am in life.
That's why I don't paint.
Yeah.
Because I would be there for 7 million hours doing one piece.
Yeah. Don't overthink it. Just have fun.
Like legit. It would take me forever. Okay. Personal. Cake or pie?
Oh, cake for sure. Carrot cake. Any cake you make.
Cakes
She's
and
great
pies.
at making. Her adult job is working with teeth. I always say working with teeth. She does the braces and the teeth and things. But we live in Germany now, and she has taken up making cakes, and they're really
I
good.
get bored. Yeah.
So good.
We're gonna have a cake and painting business is what's gonna happen. Buy a dresser and get a carrot cake with it.
Yeah. I like that idea.
We should do it.
You're gonna move to Utah or Maine?
Yeah, I don't know yet.
Well, I keep trying to get her to move where we're gonna move, but
You just answered this question. Where do you get your inspiration from? Rompers. Rompers. Who knew?
Skirts.
Favorite movie quote?
Oh man. Well, it's not a movie, but there's this guy, is it Keenan?
Is he on the SNL?
No, he was on the Ellen show, and he's always like looking at the food that people make. They were making like
girl, like
they were making like SpaghettiOs mixed with Vienna sausage or whatever.
He goes, what you doing?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
But he always says the lies you tell, and so I always say the lies you tell.
Oh, my favorite. He's freaking awesome.
I know. I love
Where
him.
does he get these food things? I don't know.
I don't know. Or did you see the one where he did the Grammys or the Oscars or whatever? And he was like talking about their dresses. Oh, he was good.
I just love him. What's the best piece of advice you've ever been given?
Like in life?
Yeah,
or?
let's go deep. Life.
Let's go deep.
Could you dig deep? Give me a life quote.
I don't know. I really haven't really had very many mentors. I don't know. Just do what makes you happy.
Do you want to know what mine is?
What?
Laugh at yourself.
Oh, that's a good one.
And it was from my mom, like legit, like.
Oh,
and you laugh at yourself all the time, like.
I don't get embarrassed very easily.
You don't.
No, I don't.
Have you guys noticed? She don't get embarrassed.
No, I don't.
She just was walking around and put this on.
Okay, I'll do it.
This is what she was wearing like 5 seconds before we started this, and I was like, "What is on your head?" I would never.
It's supposed. Look, can you hand that to me?
Yeah.
No, not that one. We need to show you what it's supposed to look like.
Oh my gosh.
That looks nothing alike. What is going on, Amazon?
It's a white trash wig. It looks just like that.
This is supposed to be rockin' dude, not trash wig. Rockin' dude.
Keep it on.
Whatever.
Keep it on.
I look good.
What's your favorite color to paint and why?
Oh,
What's your
man.
favorite color to paint? Mine's white. I love white.
Boring. I don't know. I like everything. I like anything that's not white. Is that a good answer? Anything that's not white. Well, white has its place, but white is the absence of color.
It's true. It is true. It's okay.
I don't know. Anything that is not white.
So anything bright.
Yeah.
This is a personal question. Do you sleep with the sheets tucked in or tucked out?
Like a flat sheet?
Yeah, like underneath. Do you tuck them tight? Like I have to rip
don't
all
know.
my sheets off.
No, I
like
don't
my
know.
feet had to be exposed in case I need to run away fast.
Sheets or blankets?
Sheets.
I don't sleep with sheet. Like my sheet. No, like my sheet's on my bed, my fitted sheet, but like I don't have like a
You don't have a
sheet.
top sheet?
No. I don't have time for that. No. I don't.
Oh, okay.
You're just fancy bougie.
Bougie. What sound do you love the most?
I don't know. Are you asking this for a certain reason?
No, this is just like a personal
I can tell you what I
question.
hate the most.
Yeah, tell me the most annoying sound you've ever heard.
I can't stand listening to people chew with their mouth open.
Oh, me
like
neither.
chips.
We text each other when our husbands are eating like apples, and I'm like, oh
Yeah.
my gosh, this is out of control.
That's 10 minutes.
Oh, 10 minutes?
How many more questions?
I only have 2. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Do you need to sand before you paint? Like sand your furniture?
It depends on the paint that you're using. And it depends on your piece. If your piece is shiny, yeah, you should sand it. If you are using not a chalk type paint, like a latex or something like that, then yeah, you need to sand it and prime it and do all that stuff. But
High maintenance.
depends. I mean, there's no such thing as no prep. You need to at least clean
Wipe it.
your piece really good or something like that.
Okay, last question. What's your favorite piece you've ever done? She means the white cabinet she did for me.
That is a filthy lie. I don't know.
You have a lot of fantastic pieces. I don't know how you're.
I know you're looking around my house. I don't know. I don't have a favorite piece.
Mine's that one.
Don't judge. Look at this one.
Yeah.
The cat. Yeah, I like the raspberry one. I'm actually,
I
yeah.
like the black behind it.
Yeah, that one.
That was a great one.
All right, guys. Well, that is 10 minutes. I hope you enjoyed it. This is my best friend, Ashley. Thanks, Ashley.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
All right, guys. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe. Would you rather, I got a question. Would you rather see me be with my friends and interview, or would you rather me answer your questions? Or maybe she can answer your questions.
Oh, no.
All right, I'll see you guys next week. Bye. She'll say bye. Don't be rude.
Oh, bye. Bye.